Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles like this one. The first thing you want to do is click here at Import Media and we'll select this video right here. Open it and select Change if the video has different properties from the project you opened. Click and drag the video to the first sequence. Now go here and click with the right button. Select Add Track. After that, click here at Titles and select which one you like the best. Since I'm more to basic, I'll pick them. Click and drag again to your sequence. Click here in the bottom, this edit icon. Now I will change the video length to adjust to 5 seconds here, but you may also change the length of the subtitles if you want. With the text selected on the sequence, I can change the text that's being displayed, and you can also change many properties of the text, such as background and color of the fonts, for example. I'll drag the text into the bottom of the video. This time, I'm changing the blur, opacity and dimensions to adjust for the text I've made, to create an illusion of a shadow being cast from the text. You can also opt to add a background outline with or without filling and change its colors. I'll use this time the stroke option. Here you can select the outline size and color of your text. I'll select this color here from the box and click OK. Now I adjust the time that I want the sequence to appear. I want only half of the time. Now I Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V the text box right here, click on it and change the text once more. I'll select the word something, and now, to make it even more appealing to the audience, I'll select black for this one. You can also select which size you want the text to be, but I'll leave it to the normal size. After you are happy with the results, click here at the bottom, Cut. Now click here at Quick Export, select which video encoder it's going to render your video, click Export, choose the location of your video, wait for the rendering to be complete, and then, as you can see, you successfully put subtitles in your video. To learn how to make your own smooth transitions in Davinci Resolve, go watch this video.